Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and this is by Majorette, and this is from the Porsche edition. So this one has the collector's box. So I'm really not understanding how Majorette works in some things. So they have two set of Porsche edition, one which we unboxed. That 911 GT3 RS which we unboxed in the last video, that was in a different packaging, and this one is from a different packaging. So it has some differences to it, starting with the price, which is this is around 499 and that one is I think 349. There is a huge price difference there. And so usually when they do these kind of editions, it will be fully metal, more specifically if you take the Volkswagen that series. So they did it with the entire metal, and there is an entire metal series which is dedicated specifically. And let's open and see this one, whether this one has full metal or how it is. I'm really not sure. They do mention here some things like metal body, rubber tires, suspension, all these things, but in the metal series they actually mentioned metal chassis as well. So I think I do have one extra of this one, so just drop me in the comments if you want the extra one. So I normally sell it only for the MRP because I'm buying it for MRP. I don't charge up any more than that, so don't worry about it. But first come first serve basis, so don't mistake me guys if you commented something and if I'm not able to give it to you, because someone might have already pinged me over WhatsApp, or they might have called me, so depends upon the situation. Okay, let's take this aside and throw rest of the stuff away. Okay, so let's start with the box. So this one is the collector's box which you can get, and okay, this is the first time I'm seeing this. So they put all the technical details in the box itself. This is the first time I'm looking at this specifically on a Majorette. Maybe I need to collect all the collector's editions, so the Porsche edition, and see for this, I guess. Okay, so inside of the box is empty. If you guys are wondering, I think someone actually asked me, in a mini GT video, if I'm not wrong, whether the box is actually empty or it has something inside. So when it comes to Majorettes, the box will be always empty because you are getting the car on top of it. Same goes for some mini GT, specifically the Mijo exclusive and US exclusive editions. Okay, so let me tell you the difference between this and the other Porsche edition. Specifically, this one comes with 3 moving parts, as you can see here. It does have some issue with the paint job here, as you can see. Yeah, it does have some issue, but it is not. Yeah, right now I think you can see clearly. Maybe it is getting old, I don't know. So the good thing is, like always, they have some kind of acrylics for the headlights. Especially on this casting, this looks really badass. I saw this car in the showroom like a month back. So with that Porsche livery, livery in the sense it had a lot of colors in that livery, and that looked really beautiful. So as usual, the logo placement is really nice. I'm still not able to accept that Majorette has this specific issue on the specific casting. As you can see here also, there is some paint. I don't know if it is chipping or something, but something is there. Okay, the body is actually made of metal and the chassis is plastic. So they mentioned rubber tires. Yeah, it has rubber tires. The rims looks really nice, and it does have 3 movable parts or opening parts, however you want to keep it. As you can see here, the detailing looks really nice. Let me just put it this way. Yeah, detailing looks really nice. Let's open the doors. It's a bit tight on the side. Okay. Snaps really nice. So I didn't see any other issue apart from that specific paint issue. I'm not sure. This is the first Majorette I'm having this specific issue. Just drop me in the comments if you guys had the same issue with any of the Majorettes. So let's do a suspension test. It does have suspension, which is really nice. Let's do a roll test real quick. Wow, it rolls really nice. Specifically with the rubber tires, I never expected this to roll this fast or this smooth. It does have wheel wobble specifically on the front wheels, but not too much. But it is visible. If you see the body's pitch, you can see the hood moving, jumping up and down. But this does look really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.